coaching thought for the day. It is not the instructional coach's job to get teachers to do whatever the instructional coach wants done. That's not what the job should be. Instructional coaches can have great ideas that teachers can implement, and they can certainly share those, but it's the job of the instructional coach to work with the teacher to develop his or her idea about something. Now, there are times where for instructional coaches, like you have to do the bidding of your district. Like, you have to make sure that they're following the curriculum that, has been adopted or something like that. But just in terms of if a teacher is brave enough to ask you to come in and brainstorm with them and help them, troubleshoot a problem, it's okay if they don't do what you have in mind, going into it. It is to enable the teachers to do whatever is going to work best with their own students.